Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play on Citra. First, you'll want to download the official Citra emulator directly from its website. Once downloaded, simply install it by following the straightforward on-screen prompts. It's also important to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for smooth operation. Remember to obtain your game ROMs legally, ideally from your own physical game cartridges, to ensure a proper and ethical gaming experience. Next, let's configure Citra for the best gaming experience. Open the emulator and navigate to the configuration settings. Here, you can adjust graphics settings to match your computer's capabilities, aiming for balance between visual quality and smooth performance. Don't forget to set up your input controls, whether you prefer using a keyboard or a dedicated gamepad. Finally, configure your audio output and volume levels for an immersive sound experience. Now, let's get to playing your favorite games. First, add your legally obtained game ROMs to Citra's designated game directory. Once added, you'll see them appear in Citra's game list. Simply select the game you wish to play and double-click its title to launch it. Remember to save your game progress regularly within the emulator, just as you would on a physical console, to avoid losing any hard-earned achievements. To ensure the best possible experience, here are a few helpful tips. Always keep your Citra emulator updated to the latest version to benefit from new features and performance improvements. Closing unnecessary background applications can free up valuable system resources, leading to smoother gameplay. Don't hesitate to experiment with various graphics settings to find the perfect balance for your specific computer. Finally, using a dedicated gamepad can significantly enhance your control and overall enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.